In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth connected but not sound on iPhone. So what you want to do is open up settings and of course make sure that the Bluetooth is on and that it's actually connected to that device. If it's still not working, go back, then you want to go to General, then scroll down and then you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. You can click on that and then you can click Reset. It basically resets the iPhone. All erase all content and settings. I would first recommend that you click on Reset and then see if that worked. If it didn't, just do the other option and that's it. But if you don't want to erase everything, there's also a third option where you can just long hold lock screen and the power up, the volume up key, and then just shut down the iPhone and then turn it back on with the same button on the side for the power, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.